Surveys are being answered all over the world every minute of the day. That results in a lot of data. Even for trained researchers, it can be challenging to see patterns and relationships in all the data they get from respondents. Z-scoring is a commonly used statistical method that normalizes results and helps you to clearly see their relationship to each other so you can make better decisions. By using Z-scoring on surveys, we can help to normalize response bias. Response bias basically means that people have different answering styles. Sometimes people have a tendency to act differently when they are answering in research. Some people only use extreme ends of the scale. Some people only use the middle. And sometimes a score of 10 to one person means the same thing as a score of 7 to another. People are not lying or trying to mess with your data, and these different answering styles don't make your data invalid. You just need to normalize the scores like a statistician would, and with Zeph, that's easy to do with the click of a button. Z-scoring removes response bias for you. So how does it work then? Here are the answers to the same question from Anna, Ben, and Heidi. First, the analyzer finds the overall average of all of Anna's answers and moves the average point to the middle of the graph. Z-scoring spreads the answers evenly all across the diagram, showing their relationship to the overall average of the answers. Take a look at how they were before, and now take a look at how they look after Z-scoring. Notice that the Z-scoring makes it easier to see the relationship between the scores. The Zeph method then also Z-scores all of the respondents' answers to each question that was asked. In the last phase, it takes the average points of the answers to different questions and spreads them evenly around the average point on the diagram. Now you can easily see the relationships that the different issues have to each other. This makes it clear to see what your strengths are and where you should focus on development. And don't worry, all you have to do is click a button and you see the results right away. Happy surveying!